Think to be able to live in New York City and have your own private garden or park, it's large enough to be a park almost, is an exceptional gift and luxury. Hi, my name is Leslie. We're at 434 East 52nd Street in apartment Penthouse G in New York City. We've lived here for 5 years. I'd like to welcome you to my home. It's just an exceptional feeling when you're in this space, and you can almost feel the history of it, I think. Waking up here every morning is a dream. I wake up, make my coffee, I walk through the garden. I love watching the boats and the barges on the river. The apartment has an energy that just makes you feel good. You walk into it and you feel like you're at home, and it's a happy place. We've had amazing parties here, many parties here. It's a great entertaining space, both indoors and out. It's truly a magical place. The lighting is gorgeous, the breezes are great. We love to keep the windows open and have breezes through the whole apartment. But living here we feel really lucky, actually, really lucky.